Ito na yung engagement mula sa Onyx PH. Pero yung Dragon ay papasok na. Papamaanap din ata si Atoy. Ay, nagamit pa yung... Para makasurvive! Ang kukuha ng kill! Huwag ay nakakuha! Bakit?
Your family is huge here in the Philippines. I know before that Calrep gave you a message.
Be the price.
What can you say? Okay, we're having a bit of...
I'm the pressure.
I'm the pressure.